Well, ninth group, get ready with your textbook, one pencil in your hand, attachment to all the papers, and your notebook, obviously. So, ninth standard, ninth group. Let's start today's lesson. That is continuation part, Unit 4. Follow the board, please. Unit 4 prose, whatever we do by Clifford Mathis. Date 23/11/2020. Concept reading comprehension. Learning points today. Listening and comprehending means understanding. Page 83. Language in use. Page 84. So dear students, 9th standard, 9th group. First of all, you open your textbook and get ready with this point. That one here, I'm telling you. Page number 83. Open your textbook, ready with your all attachments and your notebook. Page number 83. Listening and comprehending. Your teacher will narrate a story. It is a storytelling class. I will narrate one story. You will listen carefully. Think about the story. Then answer the questions given to you. The Golden Eagle. Once a man found an eagle's egg and placed it under a brooding hen. The eagle hatched with the chickens and grew to be like them. With the chickens, so what happened? Like the chickens, eagle, small eagle also like the chickens. They are friend, group wise. So habits, culture, everything like that. He clucked and cackled, scratched the earth for warmth, flapped the wings and managed to fly a few feet in the air. Years passed. One day the eagle, now grown old, saw a magnificent bird, one beautiful, surprising bird, above him in the sky. It glided in graceful majesty against the powerful wind. You know, eagle in this way, straight going, then down, again go up in this way, again in this way. So the eagle, very dangerous, big bird. So this eagle who grown up with the chickens, automatically this eagle's habits and everything on the mother earth like the chickens and all. So started thinking, what is this bird? So beautifully, big bird flying in the sky and all. Actually, he is also eagle, that one also eagle, but his habit with the chickens. So naturally from the very childhood with the chickens, so habit and everything like that. One day the eagle, now grown old, saw a magnificent bird above him in the sky. It glided in graceful majesty against the powerful wind, with scarcely a movement of its golden wings, spellbound. No bird. Oh, what a beautiful bird, the eagle asked. Who is that? That's the king of the birds, the eagle said his neighbor. The chickens and all to this is the eagle, king of the birds. He belongs to the sky. We belong to the earth. We are chickens. So the eagle lived and died a chicken. For that's what he thought he was. Question is what? Page number 84, 9th group. What did the eagle see in the sky? A magnificent bird or a very wonderful bird. One eagle flying freely in the sky. Why do you think the eagle died a chicken? Because the mother eagle given birth to the small eagle and then beside the chickens. So this small eagle, always a very good friend and lovely atmosphere deal in the mother earth with the chickens. So attitude, culture, everything like the chickens. And then in this way, eagle changed habits and all just like a chicken only. And died in same way, same manner. What are your limitations, your thoughts or your environment? So you can change your environment in different ways. You can bring some social changes with your creativity skills, with your knowledge, with your other skills, etc. These are all the things. By helping others, you can inculcate, that is, you can start that culture among the neighbors to whom you are residing. That's all. How do you see your real self and break the influence of your environment? All environment influence the individuals, maybe human beings, maybe these animals, birds, everywhere. So environment is very trustworthy. We have to always be with our environment. If anything, we feel free, we can change that environment. We can mold the environment. We can bring some new changes in the environment. We can help our environment. We can start helping active system in our environment. So many things are there according to your mind map. Now, simple present tense. These sentences are simple present tense. Father practices meditation every day. I usually drink milk at night. Father reads newspaper every day. Father goes on morning walk. You can make several sentences from this table, page 84. Mother tries new recipe daily. Mother goes to school daily. Mother visits temple every day. Brother goes trekking daily. But brother browses internet every day. Brother works in NGO. Brother supports self-help groups. Mother sings vachanas. Sister researches in ISRO, ISRO. Sister paints pictures. Sister helps mother. Sister takes wild photographies. Father goes on morning walk. These are all simple present tense sentences. You can make as per your wish lots of sentences from this table, page 84. Your teacher conducts this activity for you. Think it is your very good writing task activity 9th group and very special activity, so you do it. Page 85. Ask each student. You ask among yourself because now you are not in front of me, online going on. Phone, by making phone call, online, chatting in different way as you wish, friend to friend. You think about the matter and write down. One friend will ask, hey, how many sentences you have written, please tell me. Another friend will, oh, you have written in this way, see, I have written in this way, I make my creativity skills. So you make notes and discuss among your friends. That's all. I go bird watching every weekend. I only eat natural food. Then you tell your friend about yourself. Friend will tell about himself or herself. To you share the feelings. Become very good friends. Share your moments. Share your delicious food. Share your culture. Share your festivals and so on. Ask in this way a special, what's something special about you? You can tell that yes, in the off time now, after my online classes, after going through the videos and learning points, I help my mama every night and I would like to make for my family some good recipes, etc. I am doing gardening nicely. I am bringing some good plants, flower plants and other plants, and I put it there. I put some water. I take care of the plants every day in the evening time or early morning. So in this way you can share your full communication skills with others. What's something special about you? You know, so you will share your feelings. I collect coins given here. Somebody will say that I collect stamps. I collect different newspaper articles. I collect some good songs headline. So many things are there. I collect title of some poem, title of some good stories, title and including author's name of the good stories. So many ways are there. Now exchange your notebooks, read their interesting facts. He fishes on Sundays when doing fishing. That is a good hobby, fishing. That is fishes on Sundays. She attends dance classes. So in this way, I think students, you can able to understand how to motivate your creativity skills and do it, practice at home, write in the notebooks, take my correction. Thank you very much.